Make money online. Smart money tactics. Do you want to make money online? Then you have come to the right video. We will explain how you can make money online that does not require your full time and investment. You can do this kind of work in your spare time. And if you decide to quit your 9 to 5 for it, some can make you money both actively and passively. These 10 smart money tactics require a computer and internet access. Let's get into the distinctive tactics. 10. UPWORK. UPWORK is one of the best websites for freelancers. The active income earning website gives creatives and professionals the chance to make money by offering services to individuals and organizations. These clients post services that they're outsourcing. The freelancers with the skills for the said services then take the job and get paid on completion. Some of these jobs are app development, writing, designing, and video editing. You will get picked for the job once you set up an attractive profile and show what you can do. The website itself does not give jobs based on qualifications. You have only to provide proof of your ability to execute the jobs. So the best approach to building your profile is to display your assets, best works, and highlight your strengths. You will make money on UPWORK. Since this is an active money-making venture, it often pays higher. 9. YouTube. We all know that people make money on YouTube. The only challenge is that people consider it a long haul. It seems that the money is meant for rich and famous active users. That might be true because you have to meet minimum requirements to get monetized. YouTube expects you to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Since that is the threshold before you can start earning money, you have to work hard on getting subscribers and viewers who watch your videos to the end. That is where your social media and other connections come to play. You have to ensure that all your viewers enjoy your content enough to share and encourage others. You're able to make as much money on YouTube as you post exciting content. There are no limitations. Your videos will make you money forever. So YouTube is considered passive income. 8. Amazon. Amazon has come a long way, from bookshop online to becoming the most valuable company in the world. Not that alone, it is the biggest shop in the world. There is nothing that Amazon does not sell. Amazon is a marketplace, so there are many ways to make money on the site. We will look at 3 of them. Firstly, you can make money through Amazon Mechanical Turk. That is the place where they send work that might be too technical for computers. So audio transcribing, testing web pages, writing reviews and translating into different languages. You can make money on various tasks offered by the website. You can also become a Kindle publisher. So if you have the book and want to market it as an ebook, you can make money. Some authors will give you rights to their books to turn into an audiobook at a fee, or you can write a book for yourself and make money on Amazon. The final one is Amazon's Associates Program. This program is an affiliate marketing program. You make money by encouraging people to buy products through your unique link. Once they make the purchases, you receive a percentage on the product. So here are 3 ways Amazon allows you to make money. 7. ClickBank. Here we have another affiliate marketplace that both entrepreneurs and affiliate marketers can make money. With Amazon, you're guaranteed a 10 to 20% cut on any sale you make. With ClickBank, you receive so much more. Sometimes the cash out is so much that you can receive 7 to 5% from affiliate sales on ClickBank. The process to make money is simple. You get on the website, look through the products and pick something aligned with your sales expertise. Then you vet out and make sales on it. Due to the differences in percentages offered, you might get things high as 7 to 5% as mentioned or something as low as 5%. It is up to you to keep a close eye on the brand's various offers to affiliates. ClickBank is one of the best ways to make money online and does not require you to do anything beyond marketing. So that is a passive way to make money online. The only job is to promote once and watch your money flow in. 6. FLIPPa. FLIPPa advertises that they're the #1 place for buying and selling online businesses. The website's audience is many, and there are tools to enhance visibility for the individual companies. The website is an auction site. So if you're familiar with it, it reminds you of eBay. The businesses are placed on the website awaiting bidding. If you end up with the highest bid, you automatically win the bidding process of the business. And you can walk away with an online business. You will also have the chance to sell your own business that you no longer want to keep. So if you have an online business that you want to get rid of, you go to FLIPPa and build a portfolio for it. Many interested entrepreneurs will bid to own your business. The highest bidder based on your specification wins the price and becomes the new owner of the business. It is so simple to trade your business or buy a business on FLIPPa. As the name suggests, it flips your business to new owners. 5. Shutterstock. If you're a photographer, artist, or videographer, and you have been wondering how to make money from your digital media, then this is your chance. Shutterstock was created to give freelancers the chance to make money. So if you're an excellent person in any of these fields, you will have the chance to enjoy the beauty of monetizing your craft through Shutterstock. Once someone downloads the photo that you uploaded, you will earn a commission. Now with time, the commission prices increase, but the beginning could only be few dollars. This commission should not discourage you because you can earn more. The significant thing to remember is that your work needs to be constantly uploaded. You can make money by being consistent and solid. As you keep putting your media on the website, it can move from a low percentage to 4 to 5% or 55% of the asking price of the media. As you upload the photos here, you are also allowed to post them elsewhere. You can make money off the media in many ways. Your media can be sold to others multiple times, and you can promote them on other sites. 4. ROVER. ROVER, we're the dog people. That is enough to give you the whole idea the ROVER is selling. If you love pets, but dogs in particular, then you're in luck with ROVER. The website is for people who want to be dog sitters. When you register online to be a dog sitter with ROVER, you can make as much as $100 a night for watching someone's pet while they go out on a date. The website is designed to give people who are involved in dog watching hundreds of dollars each night. So once you sign on, you have become a potential earner. Ensure that you're in Canada or the US, because those are the only 2 countries this service is available. So what are you waiting for? If you want to make money as a sitter but don't like the whining sounds of babies, then you should sign up for this. 3. TakeLessons. We will all be grateful if someone teaches us new skills, regardless of the ease with which the skill can be learned. Some people still need direction to perfect them. So if you're particularly brilliant in skill and possess the qualities of a teacher or trainer, you can make money signing up on TakeLessons. The skills that are required to set up an account are endless. You can be an improv acting coach, singing coach, musical instrument coach, theater dance coach, mathematics coach, and so many more. So the way you can make money on the website depends on your skill. You can also fit into multiple sides of the website, teaching various skills. The TakeLessons website has the potential to be your teaching website for good. So please take advantage of it. 2. FIVVER. As we mentioned, UPWORK here is another freelance website for making money based on your expertise. There are unlimited requests on FIVVER, and we're confident that you have heard of them. Think of all your animations, writing, mobile app designs, packaging designs, architecture planning, SEO, merchandising, and many more. There is no creative aspect that FIVVER does not adequately touch on. Once you think of anything that could be outsourced, you head over to FIVVER, and it is right there for you to tap into. Make money doing everything that exists, and don't forget to hold yourself to high standards to increase ratings and reviews. It is the most legitimate way for freelancers, and many freelancers are making their coins from it. 1. Dropshipping. The reviews for dropshipping are impressive. It is a website where you're the middleman for someone else's business. You open up the Shopify store and then add an Oberlo account. Oberlo integrates with Shopify, and it allows you to sell other people's stuff. So when people make purchases from you, you contact the manufacturer to make the items and ship them to the buyers. You make your money the middleman, but you don't see or touch the items. So what did we learn today? We have learned to make smart money online, and our money is going to work for us while we do other things. What is your expertise which you can monetize online? If you had to choose between passive and active income, which would you pick? Please share your answers with us in the comments.